Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the drive motor on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new drive motor for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The drive motor is responsible for moving the basket and tub of the washer. It is used to spin the basket and drive water out of the clothes once the washer has completed the cycle. If the drive motor is broken, the washer may not spin or agitate properly. Note that the drive motor comes with the motor pulley. The motor pulley is not sold separately, so if that needs to be replaced, you will need to replace the whole unit. After replacing this, it is very important to run the washer's calibration cycle. You can watch the instructions on how to run the calibration cycle at the end of this video. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. For this repair, you'll need access to the bottom of the washer, so you'll want to flip it onto its front on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Make sure you grab an extra pair of hands when doing so to avoid injury. Then, using a screwdriver or ratchet with a 5/16 socket, remove the two screws holding the pulley cover in place. Then, remove the drive belt by pulling on it as you rotate it. Then, depress the locking tab on the electrical connector and remove it. Then, using a 1/2-inch socket, remove the two screws holding the drive motor in place. If you need to purchase a new drive motor, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the motor to the frame of the washer and install the two screws. Ensure that you fully tighten the screws. Then, connect the electrical connector. To reinstall the drive belt, simply put it around the smaller pulley, then align it to the middle of the top splutch pulley and pull and rotate the pulley until the belt slides over it. The top pulley does not have a groove for it to sit in, so just make sure it is aligned to the middle of the pulley. Next, align the pulley cover to the washer and reinstall the screws. Now, flip the washer back upright and reconnect the water and power to it to run the factory calibration cycle. To run the cycle, make sure the washer is in standby mode with all the LEDs off and the lid closed. Then press and release the temp button, temp button, rinse button within 8 seconds of each other. The washer then will confirm that it has entered service mode by all the LEDs blinking one time, and then the lid will lock. Then rotate the encoder knob one step. Then press all the keys 1 through 6. When successfully completing, the lid will unlock. Next, open and close the lid to initialize the factory cycle. When the cycle is running, do not disturb the washer or remove power, or you will need to restart the process. The cycle will run from 2 to 4 minutes. You will know when the cycle completes when the LEDs turn off and the lid unlocks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.